Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can add photos as widget on iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is simply just select the home page that you want to add the widget to. I'm going to select this particular home page, and now what you're going to do is simply just long press on the blank space just like this, and here you can see your jiggle mode has now been turned on, and you'll have to now tap on this edit button that you can see in the top left corner right here. After doing so, here you can see there is the option of add widget. Tap on add widget, and then here you can now scroll down, and here you can see different kind of applications, and you'll have to now manually search for photos. Here you can see photos right here. You can tap on photos, and just like this, here you can see now your featured photos will now pop up, and in here you can now swipe left like this and simply just select the shape of widget that you want. So if you don't want your featured photos and you want a whole album as a widget, you can simply keep on swiping left just like this. Right now here you can see we are on the albums. Now you can again select the shape of the widget that you want by simply swiping left like this. I want this particular shape as my widget, so I'm going to select this one. So simply just tap on add widget. So after you have selected that, here you can see now this will pop up, and in here if you want to select any kind of other particular album, you can tap on this choose option right here, and you can simply just select the album that you want to add in as widget. So I want to, for example, add this favorite album, so I can tap on this favorite album like this, and we are now done. You can now simply just tap on the blank space just like this. And just like this, here you can see we have now successfully added this as a widget. And when you're done, you can simply just tap on the done option on the top right corner right here. And just like this, here you can see we have now successfully added this photos as widget on your iPhone. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.